Namaste and welcome to India Yoga Arogya series. Today we will have some idea and few beautiful technique how to work with diabetes. And there are few simple work can make a wonderful changes to the diabetic. The first practice working on your belly with your breath. It is called one of the Kriya, it is called Agnisara. Stand uplifted, take one hand on your belly. As you inhale, belly pulls out. As you exhale, belly pulled in. In inhalation, belly pushed out. Exhalation, the belly pulled in. If very comfortable, the next step you can go a little faster. Keep the breath as it is and keep the belly moving front and back. Then that is the second stage what it works. Once very comfortable, then third stage. But I think we will come to in the next video how to show that into the third stage. It is otherwise a little challenging right now. And once it is comfortable, then we will continue with the next technique we have here. It is called front and back bending, which is very helpful to release a lot of rigidness and also improve circulation, and naturally it increases the movement of the belly. And keep your legs around shoulder distance. Then rest the palms on your thighs. Inhale and stretch your hands straight up, extend it, bend the knee and slightly turn the pelvic, slightly lean. Then maintain that, exhale and bend front softly as far as you can. No need to go fully if you can't, and stretch it, but spine lengthen. The next inhalation, smoothly stretch and arch as far as you can. Make sure no pressure on your neck, no pressure on your lower back. The front of the body really stretches. Then the next exhalation, go as far as you can. Then repeat around 10 to 15 times of that, then slowly come up. Okay, no rush at all. And from there, the next one you can also work, it is in a lateral stretch. It's very helpful to give a lot of work on the sides of the body as well as in the deep internal organs. Spread the arms on the shoulder level. As you inhale, raise the right hand up there and extend it and softly bend to your side. There is a beautiful stretch on your right side. The inhalation come up. To the exhalation, you just move into your left. Left side stretched and the bend to completely to the right side. It's a beautiful stretch. And repeat like this around 10-15 times. Each time the exhalation you are bending into the side, inhalation center, exhalation step. The whole work goes in a proper line here that will help the maximum into the waist and abdomen region. And once you finish, slowly release the hands and gradually come back to Tadasana. From there, and the next asana what we will work here, it is called Maha Mudra, one of the beautiful mudra practice. It's very simple yet very effective to work on it. And what you need to do, fold one leg and place next to the groin and take both hands on your toes, other toes, and inhale long, then exhale completely as far as you can. Pull the belly, pull the pelvic floor and drop the chin. And hold your breath for some time, but no stress on the neck. Hold your breath for some time. If you have a high blood pressure, please don't hold it longer. Then slowly release the head and release your breath. And again extend it spine, pull the belly, exhale and hold as far as you can. Just repeat this. This is the first step, and then if you are not comfortable in this, you just go front in this, but don't do the retention part. You comfortably coordinate your breath and work on that. After doing few times around a minute or two each side, then slowly step by step come back. In this, as much as possible, as you pull the belly more in and contract it, that really helps a lot. But throughout the practice, two things you have to keep in your Maha Mudra: no stress on the neck. Second important thing, don't retain the breath beyond your limit. Then the other important asana also can be any twisting asana is very helpful during the diabetes. And one of the simple twisting we take, Marichyasana C and its variation. And fold one of the leg, keep a fist distance between your thigh to your foot and hug your thigh, the opposite thigh, and twist your body and look over it, the back shoulder. And lift the spine with inhalation, exhale and twist it further. Each inhalation you lift, exhale and twisting. If it feels very comfortable, you can take your armpit over your thigh force here, you can also you can just here, you can hold it up here and you can twist it. Okay, you can lift the spine as much as you can, but make sure no stress on the neck again, no stress on the knee again. There is a lot of work comes on the belly and there is a lot of twist comes on the waist, and the other leg is remain straight and active. And being after there around 60 to 90 seconds, then repeat it, the same thing we will repeat on the other side. As you get better, the twist has to become stronger. And any of the twisting asanas are always helpful for diabetics or forward bending or back bending or lateral bending. It has to be worked within your limit and gradually, step by step, developed. Then wonderfully works. Okay? Then slowly, step by step, release your hands, also your leg. And this is the way, when you work, it becomes a wonderful difference into it. And thank you for watching this, and we will soon coming back with some more videos, different health related. Namaste and Dhanyavad.